COVID-19 has affected everyone in some way, shape, or form. Most of us have suffered in the air we breathe and questioned how clean it truly is. At the Most Lab, we wanted to create a baffle system that would filter the air around you for you to breathe purified and fresh air. It first started with the designing of the 3D printed baffle, then printing it with the best material suitable for such a thing, in which the time was Ninjatek Ninjaflex. But due to a change in manufacturing, the Ninjaflex, the skin of the filament, wasn't extruding any material, thus bringing the research to a pause. Then, with the help of NinjaTek and Lulzbot Associates, we worked through finding the next best material if Ninjaflex was no longer going to work, even with having tried countless troubleshooting procedures. Then the NinjaTek Cheetah was reincarnated to be our savior, with the same results as the previous no longer manufactured Ninjaflex. The Cheetah brought the mission filter man's air back to life. Once the printer was functional again, we got back to printing a perfect piece to then be able to test chemically. It took many tries, but it luckily produced a decent piece before the bench's glass chipped and once again made the printer unfunctional. Time later, we received a newer model bed and got back to work in testing for one last time if a perfect print was possible. So we'll find out. If the print goes well, then people will be able to have their own personal filters at their workplace, school, and home. Air for You, the revolutionary 3D printed baffle system. COVID-19 is and was unseeable and unstoppable, but it will no longer be as such. Air for You wants to provide you with a chemically treated 3D printed baffle system that will be placed on fans that will purify the surrounding air that may be contaminated with COVID-19. As it is said, it may stay in the air for up to 3 hours, so you never know. You have to be protected. From our biomed team that ensures the baffle is coated, safely chemically treated, and the tested. To our baffle designers, we ensure your safety and satisfaction. Air for You wants to enable personal protection from COVID-19 and other airborne viruses in the office-like environments to make air fresh anew for you. Because as we know, there are other viruses that may come. The process starts with being able to design the baffle system. Then we plan the precise dimensions and measurements that we might need to change, working through errors, troubleshooting, and unpredictable results. We chemically test and treat the baffle system, and finally rate the results and test the usability for the user. So far, we've reached being able to print a decent print. We are still currently testing the baffle chemically, and depending on whether that succeeds, is whether we can make more of them using the Cheetah filament.